to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious grilled eggplant salad. Now, if you don't like eggplant, hopefully by the time you watch this video, you'll be in love with it. So if you want to see how I make it, keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It just takes a second. Turn on all those notifications. That's just going to let you know every time I put up a video, you'll be the first to know. And thank you so much to all of my new subscribers. Okay, you guys, enough talking. Let's go ahead and get cooking. So I really hope you love this recipe as much as I do. So what I'm going to start off with first is 2 medium-sized eggplants. I'm just going to take a knife and just slice them into an inch, inch and a half of round slices. So right now I'm just going to put the slices into a separate bowl. And my apologies, you guys, I don't know why my camera didn't focus, just not giving you a clear picture, but yeah, I'm just going to put the slices into a bowl. And right now, not only am I seasoning the eggplants with some sea salt, but it's also going to soften them up because the eggplants are a little stiff. Now I'm done seasoning all of my eggplants with the sea salt, and right now I'm just going to move them over into a colander because not only are they going to get soft, they're also going to release some moisture, and you don't want your eggplants to sit in water. So while my eggplants are sitting, I'm going to make a delicious topping to go on top of the grilled eggplants later. So I have a cup of cherry tomatoes, and I love cherry tomatoes. I love to eat them in salads and even roasted because they're nice and sweet. So I'm just going to go ahead and slice them in half. So there's my bowl of fresh sliced tomatoes. I love it. It looks so good. I could probably eat that bowl as is. But I'm going to go ahead and add some fresh ingredients like some fresh mint. It's used in a lot of Mediterranean dishes. So I just grabbed a bunch and just rolled it up and began slicing it up with my knife. I'm also going to use some fresh parsley, and parsley is also very familiar in Mediterranean dishes. And again, I'm just going to grab a bunch, roll it up, and do the exact same thing. Now in a separate bowl, I'm going to add the fresh mint along with the fresh parsley. So the reason I really love this salad is because all the different textures, and I like a little bit of a crunch. So I'm going to use some walnuts, and they were a little bit too big, so I took my knife and I wanted to chop them into little pieces, and over medium heat in a dry skillet. Don't add any oil or anything. You just want to place them and toast them. And toasting is just going to release its natural oils. So once that's done, just for a couple of minutes, you just want to move it back over to the bowl of the fresh parsley and mint and just add that in. For some tanginess, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1/3 of a cup of olive oil, and I'm going to season by adding some sea salt and some black pepper. And just grab a spoon or a spatula and mix everything together. So now I'm just going to set it to the side and get started on the eggplants. So my eggplants are done, and I'm just going to move them back into the bowl, and after 10 minutes of sitting, you will notice that they are a lot softer. So now I'm going to add and coat all the eggplants with plenty of olive oil, so when I do grill them later, they'll be nice and golden brown. So because I added some sea salt in the beginning, I'm going to add some black pepper at the end because I don't want my eggplants to be overly salty. Okay, so my eggplant is all done, so let's move it over to the grill, and if you have some nonstick spray, go ahead and spray that, or if you don't, just brush it with some oil. So my grill is nice and hot over medium-high heat, and I'm just going to begin placing eggplants on the grill, as many as that can fit actually, and I'm just going to let them grill for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. So after 3 to 4 minutes of grilling, I'm ready to flip them over, and look at those grill marks. Your brain just tells you that it's going to be really, really delicious. So after 3 to 4 minutes, I'm just going to continue to grill my eggplants until they're all done. So I'm done grilling up all of my eggplants, and the only thing that's left to do is begin building up your salad. So you can pile a plate with as many eggplant slices as you like. I'm ready to add the sliced cherry tomatoes, and you can do it either separately or you can add the cherry tomatoes into the fresh mint and parsley mixture. The choice is completely up to you. So I don't believe a Mediterranean salad would be complete without some feta cheese. So I got some feta cheese and I'm just gonna add some on top of the tomatoes. So the fresh mint and the parsley had a chance to marinate in the lemon juice and the olive oil, and don't forget the crunch of those walnuts. So I'm gonna add that on top. So you can eat and enjoy either warm or at room temperature. It is so delicious. And that's it, you guys. Please give this video a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Share this recipe with everybody you know. Take a picture, tag me and follow me on Instagram. I would love to see it, and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel by clicking that box you see right there, and if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right there. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.